हेलो एवरीवन। ये जो चैप्टर है क्लास 12 थ्री चैप्टर है जिसे हम करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कहते हैं और हमने टॉपिक 3.15 रेजिस्टेंस इन अ सीरीज एंड पैरेलल में से रेजिस्टेंस इन अ सीरीज कंप्लीट कर लिया था। रेजिस्टेंस इन अ पैरेलल, नाउ if a number of resistance are connected in between two common points so that each of them provides a separate path for current, they are said to be connected in a parallel. R1, R2 and R3 both are connected in a common point A and B, and after it is on battery. So 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Topic 3.16. Topic 3.16 Internal resistance of a cell. The resistance offered by the electrolyte of a cell to the flow of current between its electrodes is called internal resistance. The internal resistance of a cell depends on the following factors. First, nature of the electrolyte. Second, it is directly proportional to the concentration of electrolytes. Third, it is directly proportional to the distance between the two electrolytes. Fourth, it varies inversely as the common area of electrodes immersed in the electrolytes. Fifth, it increases with decrease in a temperature of electrolytes. Topic 3.17 Combination of a cell in a series and parallel. A combination of cell is called a battery. Cell in a series when the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the positive terminal of the other cell and so on. The cells are said to be connected in a series. E equivalent equal to E1 plus E2. Cell cell in a parallel when the positive terminal of cell are connected to one point and all their negative terminal to another point. The cell are said to be connected in a parallel. So 1 upon R equivalent equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 up to plus 1 upon Rn. Conditions for maximum current from a series combination of cell. I equal to total EMF upon total resistance. So NE upon R plus NR. E यहाँ पे हमारा EMF है. Conditions for maximum current from a parallel combination of cells. Total EMF of a cell combination equal to the EMF due to single cell. Therefore, the current in a circuit is I equal to E upon R plus R by M equal to ME upon MR plus R. Topic 3.18 Heating effect of a current. The phenomena of the production of heat in a resistors by the flow of an electric current through it. It is called heating effect of current or Joule heating. Topic 3.19 Heat produced by electric current, Joule's law. H equal to VIT Joule equal to I square RT Joule equal to V square T upon V square T upon R Joule. The above equations are known as Joule's law of heating. According to this law, the heat produced in a resistor is first directly proportional to the square of a distance for a given resistance. Second, directly proportional to the resistance R for a given current. Third, inversely proportional to the resistance for a given V and directly proportional to the time for which the current flow through the resistor. Topic 3.20 Electric power. The rate at which work is done by a source of EMF in maintaining an electric current through a circuit is called electric power of the circuit, or the rate at which an appli- appliance convert electric energy into other form of energy is called its electric power. Electric power equal to P equal to work done upon time equal to VI I square upon I square R equal to V square upon R, or electric power equal to current into voltage. Power of a electric power are kilowatt and megawatt. Topic 3.21, electric energy. The total work done or the energy supplied by the source of EMF in maintaining an electric current in the circuit for a given time is called electric energy consumed in a circuit. W equal to P into T equal to VIT joule, I square RT joule. SI unit is joule. Topic 3.22, power rating. The power rating of electrical appliance is the electrical energy consumed per second by appliance when connected across the marked voltage of a mains. P equal P equal to V square upon R, I square upon I square equal R, V equal to VI watt. Topic 3.23, efficiency of source of EMF. The efficiency of source of EMF is defined as the ratio of output power to the input power, N equal to output power upon input power, VI upon EI equal to V upon E. So IR upon I bracket R plus R, or N equal to R upon R plus R. Topic 3.24, efficiency of an electric device. The efficiency of an electric device is defined as the ratio of output power to the input power, N equal to output power upon input power. For electric motor, N equal to output mechanical power upon input electrical power. Input electrical power equal to output mechanical power plus powers lost as heat. Applications. Topic 3.25, applications of heating effect of current are: household heating appliance, incandescent electric bulb, electric fuse, electric arc, other devices. टॉपिक नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू. Hello and everyone. This video is a chapter number 3, that is a electric current. पिछली वीडियो में हमने टॉपिक 3.25 कवर अप कर लिया था. नाउ इन दिस वीडियो टॉपिक 3.26, दैट इज़ अ किरचॉफ्स लॉ. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. किरचॉफ्स लॉ. इन 1942 अ जर्मन फिजिसिस्ट Kirchhoff's and extended Ohm's law to complicated circuit and gave two laws which enables us to determine the current in any part of a such circuits. First, electric network. The term electric network is used for a complicated system of electrical conductors. Junction. Any point in electric circuit where two or more conductors join together is a junction. Loop or mesh. Any closed conducting path in an electric network is called loop or mesh. Branch. A branch is any part of network that lies between two junctions. Kirchhoff's first law. or junction rule. In an electric circuit, the algebraic sum of current at any junction is zero, or the sum of current entering a junction is equal to the sum of current leaving that junction. Mathematically, summation I equal to the zero. Sign convention: the current flowing towards the junction are taken as positive. The current flowing away from the junction is taken as negative. Kirchhoff's second law or loop rule. Around any closed loop of a network, the algebraic sum of changes in potential loop of network, the algebraic sum of EMF in any loop of a circuit is equal to the sum of the product of current and resistance in it. Mathematically, summation del V equal to the 0 or summation E equal to the summation IR. Sign convention: we can take any directions, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Second, EMF cell is taken positive. The direction of transfer is negative to positive. EMF cell is taken negative. The direction of traversal is negative to negative. The current resistance IR product taken as positive. Topic 3.27 Potentiometer. A potentiometer is a device to use measure an unknown EMF or potential difference accurately. Potential gradient. The potential gradient drop per unit length of the potentiometer wire is known as potential gradient. It is given by K equal to V upon L. SI unit of potential gradient equal to V meter inverse. Topic 3.28 Sensitiveness of a potentiometer. A potentiometer is a sensitive if first, it is capable of measuring very small potential difference. Second, it shows a significant change in a balancing length for a small change in the potential difference being measured. Smaller the potential gradient, greater will be sensitivity of a potentiometer. The sensitivity of potentiometer can be increased by reducing the potential gradient. This can be done in two ways. For a given potential difference, the sensitivity can be increased by increasing the length of potentiometer wire. Second, for a potentiometer wire of a fixed length, the potential gradient can be decreased by reducing the current in the circuit with the help of rheostat. Topic 3.29 Wheatstone bridge. It is an arrangement of four resistors used to determine one of these resistance quickly and accurately in terms of the remaining three resistors. So, in this video, this chapter will be end, and the picture of the Wheatstone bridge is ये जो पिक्चर है ये व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज का है, जिसमें रेजिस्टेंस R1 अपॉन R2 इक्वल टू रेजिस्टेंस R3 अपॉन R4। जब करंट हमारी गैल्वेनोमीटर से जीरो हो जाए तब हम उनका जो रेशियो होता है वो इक्वल आता है। थैंक यू। इन दिस वीडियो दिस चैप्टर विल बी एंड, सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो न्यू चैप्टर विल बी स्टार्ट।